Hello everyone, welcome to the Words and Usage. Learn new words and their usage. So let's begin with thought for the day. Everything is valuable only in two situations. First, before getting it. Second, after losing it. In between, we don't realize the value of anything. सब कुछ केवल दो ही स्थितियों में मूल्यवान है। एक, उसे पाने से पहले, दूसरा उसे खोने के बाद। और इस बीच जो कुछ भी हमारे पास है उसकी महत्वता का हमें एहसास ही नहीं होता। सो वी शुड लर्न टू अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ व्हाट वी आर हैविंग टुडे। ओके, सो लेट्स मूव अहेड। आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड फॉर द डे इज tyrannical. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means exercising power in a cruel or arbitrary way. क्रूर या मनमाने तरीके से शक्ति का प्रयोग करना, एक प्रकार से कह सकते हैं कि अत्याचार करना। Now let's see the usage of this word. A man less tyrannical or less mean-spirited than Napoleon would of course have let her alone. But Napoleon was Napoleon and she perfectly well knew him. नेपोलियन की तुलना में कम अत्याचारी या कम मतलबी आदमी अवश्य ही उसे जाने देता, लेकिन नेपोलियन तो नेपोलियन था और वह उसे अच्छी तरह से जानती थी। So tyrannical simply means a cruel person, अत्याचारी। Now let's see the next word of the day. Our next word for the day is limbo. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means an uncertain period of awaiting a decision or resolution. निर्णय या संकल्प की प्रतीक्षा की अनिश्चित अवधि। An intermediate state or condition. एक मध्यवर्ती स्थिति या अवस्था। Now let's see the usage of this word. Until we have got official permission to go ahead with the plans, we will remain in limbo. जब तक हमें उन योजनाओं को आगे बढ़ाने की आधिकारिक अनुमति नहीं मिल जाती, तब तक हम सीमित रहेंगे। So limbo simply means the state of being disregarded or forgotten. अनिश्चित स्थिति। Now let's see the next word of the day. Our next word for the day is cogent. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means clear, logical and convincing. स्पष्ट, तार्किक और ठोस। और clearly expressed and persuades people to believe it. इतना स्पष्ट रूप से व्यक्त किया गया हो कि लोग उस पर विश्वास करने के लिए उत्तेजित हो जाएं। Now let's see the usage of this word. He makes a cogent argument for improving early child education. वह बचपन की शिक्षा में सुधार के लिए एक ठोस तर्क देता है। So cogent is something which is very logical and convincing. Now let's see the next word of the day. Our next word for the day is chauvinism. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means exaggerated or aggressive patriotism. अतिरंजित या आक्रामक देशभक्ति। Now let's see the usage of this word. Like many idealists, he was a severe critic of the faults of his own and other countries, and he added something to the increasing chauvinism in Italy. कई आदर्शवादियों की तरह वह अपने और अन्य देशों के दोषों के घोर आलोचक थे और उन्होंने इटली में बढ़ते हुए अराजकतावाद में अपना योगदान दिया। So chauvinism simply means aggressive patriotism, अंधी राष्ट्रभक्ति। Now let's see the last word of the day. Our last word of the day is lambast. Now let's see the meaning of this word. It means criticize someone or something harshly. किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु की कठोरता से आलोचना करना। Now let's see the usage of this word. The coach lambasted the team for its poor play. कोच ने अपनी टीम को खेल में खराब प्रदर्शन करने के लिए लताड़ा। So lambast simply means censure severely or angrily, बुरी तरह से फटकारना. Now let's recall what we have learned today. The first word which we saw in the video was tyrannical, which means marked by unjust severity or arbitrary behavior, अन्यायपूर्ण गंभीरता या मनमाने व्यवहार से चिन्हित. The next word which we saw was limbo, which means the state of being disregarded or forgotten, अवज्ञा या विस्मृत होने की अवस्था. The next word was cogent, which means powerfully persuasive, शक्तिशाली रूप से प्रेरक. The next word was chauvinism, which means fanatical patriotism, कट्टर देशभक्ति. And the last word which we saw was lambast, which means censure severely or angrily, गंभीर रूप से या गुस्से से किसी की निंदा करना. So these were the 5 words which we learned today. Okay friends, so I hope you have enjoyed the video. Watch it twice for revising these words and stay connected with us on words and usage. See you in the next video.